All right, so I'm gonna make part two of social skills. Part two involves this Excel data sheet or a spreadsheet on Excel. It contains a summary over here on the bottom. It says instructions. The instruction consists of a summary, the criteria levels from 1 through 7, 7 being mastered and 1 being the lowest level, criterion level. So you need to read through this in order to properly collect data. This explains about a cartoon or comic strip conversation, how to do it. And then social skill props, and it gives you a little bit of an introduction on how to do it. Now, the next one is iOS summary. So here, where it says client name, you're gonna put the client initials. BB text should be RBT, the name of the RBT, and the date. So let's say you start with a brand new client and you get social skills 1 through 10. CBA stands for currently being administered. In other words, we're working on that right now. You're gonna put here 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait a minute. It's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that means you are working right now social skills 1 through 10. Let's say in a week or two from now, he mastered number 1. So you're gonna take off 1 there and you put it on this column that says mastered ones. So now we only have 2 through 10. And then next week he mastered 2 and 3. So you move it to mastered 2 and 3. Now, if he mastered those 3, you should add 3 more. So you're gonna put here 11, 12, 13. So the client continues to make progress. So now we have 4 through 13, 1, 2, 3 are mastered, right? So this is telling you how we're doing with social skills, which social skills have been mastered and which social skills are currently being administered there. So for your monthly report, you could write, besides client making progress on the problem behaviors, current level versus baseline and all that, and then STO such as requesting attention, requesting for tangibles, accepting a no. You could put the percentages on that. You could say, during this month, client mastered social skills 1, which is number 1. The title for number 1 was, I think it's a social distance. Don't be a space invader. So you can put, during this month, clients master social skill number 1, don't be a space invader, comma, client, social skill number 2, listening position, social skill number 3, and then you put the title for social skill number 3, which is tone of voice. Because if you just say client master social skills 1, 2, 3, it's just numbers. But if you put the title on the monthly report, it's better. It's better. So, okay. Now, so he's got master 1, 2, 3 and all that. Now, remember the data sheet over here? It should be in according to that. So number 2 should be master 2 up to 7, and number 3 should be master up to 7. But you're not only running 1, 2, 3, you're running 1 through 10. So there should be data collected on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the other sheet would be 9 and 10 for the social skills. Okay. Now, what do we do with these numbers? All right, you're gonna transfer all this data to the graphing. The social skills, they have conversation data, conversation graphs, cooperative play data, and so on. So it starts in number 1 all the way through 70, I think. But number 1, you have this data sheet here that says 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7. You're gonna put that here. First, you're gonna put the date when you started the social skill number 1, which is maintaining appropriate physical distance from others. Let's say you started on, 9/3/2020. You started that, and then the first week he got a 1, then the second week he got another 1, then the other week he got a 2. Let's see what the data sheet says. 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7. 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7. All right, so these data right here are transferred from your data sheet that you collect weekly. And so when you input those values here, it's gonna create a graph automatically. See the graph right there? That means, so it says social skill number 1, maintaining appropriate physical distance from others. You have the graph. So when you're gonna do your monthly report, all you have to do is just left click on this, copy, and you're gonna paste it to your monthly report, and it's gonna show there. See, the graph is already there. And the same goes for skill number 2. You're gonna put the day you started it. And then let's say in this case, for number 2, data collected says that the first week was a 1, then 1 again, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7. Well, I made a mistake over here. It should be only 1 number per cell. 2, 4. All right, so let's say number 2, data show this is the results, and he finally mastered it with 7, 7. It's 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7. And then when you go to the graphing for that one, it's gonna show it there as well. So you go ahead and for the monthly report, you copy and it's there. So, and then number 3 is the same. And so you got a monthly report that talks about in the beginning of the current progress for problem behaviors. Then it goes to the STOs. Then it goes to acquisition skills for social skills. And then you graph problem behaviors. Then you graph the STOs. And then you graph the social skills like that. And then when the time's for you to do the reassessment, all you have to do is transfer all this information into the treatment plan so it looks like a solid skill acquisition program with graphing and different criteria levels. So we say we went 1 through 10, but he then mastered these 3. Then you're gonna add 11, 12, 13, but there is gonna be a different date. Let's say you added a month later. So it's not gonna be 9/3, it's gonna be, let's say 10/1/2020. The same goes for 12 and 13. And so you collect data on this, and then you put if it is a 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7. Assuming you're collecting data on all of this. And so if you go to the graphing for social skill number 11, it should show here for right there. 11 is right there. See? So it says that it was mastered within 6 weeks, because you collect data once a week. Although you run the social skills every day, you only collect data once a week. Once a week is you collect this data once a week. And so when you go to a cooperative play that we're talking about, social skills 24 through 32, and then friendship management data is social skills 33 to 47. And then when you go to self-regulation is 48 through 57, empathy 58 through 60, conflict management 61 through 70, and then that's the end of the social skills that we have here. But this is an Excel document that you need to have to follow up with the data collection from the RBT, so you could keep track of the progress. And you do that here. If he masters, let's say 4, 5, 6, you move it here, 4, 5, 6, and then you add 14, 15, 16, which I'm gonna be sending you this documentation that has them all from 1 all the way through 70. This is, in this case, is 56. 56 is trying when work is hard. It has 4 items, suggested activities, and data sheet for it. It's just the same. It's just that we have to put here 57. All right. So this is it for social skills right now, and then I'll probably make a video later on different scenarios for social skills, such as having the kids' favorite TV shows, getting confederates on the case so that they could be on the same page with you, and try to create scenarios for the social skills to work. And then I talk about social stories and comic cartoon conversations. But right now, doing the social skills, memorizing and putting it to work is what we need right now.